with meteorologist Brian Briggs.
Well, Kimberly Johnson of Monroe, congratulations. You are our winner of our Umbrella Day giveaway by Shed Rain. If you'd like to go win one of these, you can register at myarclemis.com. We'll announce the winners every 5:30 and 6 o'clock, 5:30 on our sister station, Fox 14, and 6 o'clock here. So congratulations, Kimberly. And you're going to need the umbrella as we head into the extended forecast. We'll be seeing those rain chances sticking around. But for Memorial Day, not too bad. It was another warm and humid one, and some of the clouds have been sticking around, especially those high clouds. But that actually limited our temperatures from hitting that 90-degree mark today. So generally have been in the upper 80s. We're currently sitting at 87 degrees. And that dew point is at 70, so very, very muggy conditions too, in addition to that. Temperatures across the Arclemis generally in the now the middle to upper 80s. And we did see Natchitoches hit 90 for a brief period, but they're back now into the upper 80s. But when you factor in the amount of moisture in the air, feeling more like the lower 90s across the area, and we've hit the peak heating for the day, so those temperatures are now starting to go down, and we will ever so slowly cool down as we head through the remainder of the evening. Live storm tracker Doppler radar not showing anything thanks to high pressure situated over us. But as you can see by our visible satellite imagery here, lots of high cloudiness streaming in from the southwest and some puffy cumulus clouds underneath that. So fairly typical for this time of year, but we will be changing some stuff up as we head into Tuesday. So more of the same can be expected, at least with our temperatures and the humidity in the air. But notice Future Tracker painting some isolated showers, even some thunderstorms developing mainly after about noon, continuing through vast majority of the afternoon and the early evening. And then by the time we hit this time tomorrow, that activity will be winding down with the sun and really getting a break on Wednesday. But you notice that there is more concentrated shower and thunderstorm activity just off to our northwest, and that will pose the threat for some strong to severe storms in a couple of our counties in southern Arkansas, and that's why the Storm Prediction Center has put them under a marginal risk. So in green, just a 1 out of 5 for mainly Ouachita and Columbia counties in southern Arkansas. Some gusty winds can be expected as those storms pass through. So one thing we really do need to keep our eye out on is the river levels here as we go through the upcoming week. Notice the Ouachita River does not really change too much as we head through the remainder of the extended period. So going to be staying above major flood stage, but Mississippi River graphics showing that level actually going down. But keep this in mind, the Arkansas River, which is upstream, feeds into the Mississippi River. So over the next few weeks or so, a lot of water has ended up in the Arkansas River. That will be making its way into the Mississippi. So don't be surprised if this shoots right back up into major flood stage as we get into the extended period. We'll be keeping our eye on it as we get closer to that time. But for tonight, going to be calm, quiet, and warm with temperatures dropping down mainly into the lower 70s for us. And then for tomorrow, more of the same can be expected again. Highs topping out in the lower 90s. Isolated showers and thunderstorms developing mainly after that noon hour. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be out and about, or if you're working outdoors, you might run into a few of those isolated showers and thunderstorms. So for the 7-day forecast here, best chance of showers and thunderstorms looks to be Thursday as that system bringing severe weather off to our west moves in. But again, very, very limited severe weather threat with that as it moves in. Can't rule out a strong thunderstorm or two though. And by the time we get to the weekend, more of what we would typically expect for this time of year. So temperatures returning to the lower to middle 90s, hot and humid conditions, with a few of those afternoon showers and thunderstorms popping up during the heat of the day. So now through June 13th, make sure to enter your yard into the Twin City Outdoor Yard of the Week contest. Weekly winners are announced each Friday, and one of them will get the grand prize, which includes a new Gravely ZTR mower, a steel combi system, and a Hobie fishing kayak, all worth about $6,000. Enter by going to myarclemis.com and clicking on the contest tab.